Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix Roblox from not responding. First, let's check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and fast enough for online gaming. Next, quickly verify the Roblox server status online. Sometimes, the issue isn't on your end. If servers are fine, try restarting the Roblox application completely. If that doesn't work, a full computer reboot can often resolve many temporary glitches, giving your system a fresh start. Outdated software is a common culprit for performance issues. Make sure your operating system is completely up to date. These updates often include crucial bug fixes. Equally important are your graphics drivers. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download and install the newest drivers for optimal performance. Finally, always ensure your Roblox application itself is updated to the latest version, as developers frequently release patches to improve stability and fix known problems. Corrupted temporary files can often cause Roblox to become unresponsive. Try clearing your Roblox cache and temporary data from your system's app data folder. If that doesn't work, a clean reinstallation is often the most effective solution. Completely uninstall Roblox, then download and install it fresh. Also, sometimes third-party antivirus or firewall software can mistakenly block Roblox. Try temporarily disabling them to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists, consider adjusting Roblox's compatibility settings. Sometimes running it in a compatibility mode for an older operating system can help. For Windows users, running a system file checker scan can repair corrupted system files that might be affecting Roblox. If all else fails, gather all the details, including any error messages or codes, and contact Roblox's official support team. They can provide more personalized assistance for persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.